Hello, fifth graders. Welcome back. If you'll notice for math today, this is our paper from yesterday, so you don't need to copy that. But I did add something here at the bottom. It says evaluate 10 to the fifth power, 10 to 1, 10 to 8, 10 to 2. So go ahead, pause, and fill that out. All right, yesterday I talked about a little trick. Remember, when it has 10 to the 5, that means that you're adding 5 zeros to the number 1. So when it says evaluate, it wants you to do 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, 5 times. So if you wanted to do all the work, you are welcome to, or you can just do the trick that I taught you yesterday. So if you don't believe me, we can go 10 times 10 5 times. So I'm going to start here. 10 times 10. So that's 1 and that's 2. So 10 times 10. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. Add those together. 0, 0, 1. So this is 10 to the second power. It has 2 zeros. But we're going 10 to the fifth power, so we need to add another 10 times 10. This is the third 10, just keeping track. That's what these little numbers are. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Add these numbers up. 0, 0, 0, 1. So 10 to the third power has 3 zeros behind it. Now we need to add another 10. This is the fourth 10. 0 times 0 is 0, 0, 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 1,000. 1, 2, 3, and 1. Add these numbers up. This is 10 to the fourth power. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 zeros. So we need to do 10 to the 10 5 times. So this is the fifth one. So this is what our answer is going to be. 0 times 0, 0. 0 times 0, 0. 0, 0, 0. 1 times 0 is 0. 0, 0, 0, and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 to the fifth power, so 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 equals 100,000. This equals 10 to the fifth power. So remember the trick I told you yesterday is just add the zeros after 1. So let's see if we're correct. We said yesterday if we add 5 zeros to 1, we'll get the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is correct. So instead of multiplying all these 10s next to each other, you can just do the trick. So 10 to the fifth power means add the 1 and add 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10,000. Was that the answer we got when we multiplied 10 times 10 times 10 times 10? Yes, it is. So instead of doing all that work, you can just do the quick trick. So 10 to the power of 1. So we're adding only 1 0 after the 1. So that just equals 10 because there's only 1 0 after the 1. This one I'm going to write under because I'm not sure if I'm going to have enough room. So 10 to the power of 8. How many zeros are we adding after 1? 8. So here we go. Write the number 1 and add 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so we count 3. 1, 2, 3. 100 million. Here we go. 10 to the power of 2. How many zeros do we write after number 1? We write 2 zeros, and that equals 100. So it's up to you. You can either multiply 10 times 10 times 10 and do it all manually like this, or you can just use the trick. Look at the number, write the number 1, and that's how many zeros you write behind it. So that's what you're going to be doing today in your IXL. And your IXL for today is Math 5th grade, letter E, number 2. If you have any questions, give me a call. Goodbye.